In this class we will create linear repetitions using the command linear pattern, which allows you to create repetition of features, faces or solid bodies, in one or two directions. This command greatly accelerates the creation of parts, making it possible to gain design time. Come on, let's go. Note this template, made available in the class files. This feature needs to be repeated linearly in this model. To do this in a practical way, we activate the command linear pattern. In the Property Manager we have several options, and first we will define the two directions of the repetition. In the Direction 1 box, in the first active option we must select an edge, axis or dimensional to guide repetition. We click on the edge shown and look at the arrow indicating the direction. By clicking Reverse Direction we can reverse the direction. In this box we also define the distance between the repeating entities, for which we enter 0. 30 inches. And the number of copies that will be created in this direction, in this case 12. For direction 2 we select the edge shown, set 0. 43 inches for the distance and 5 for the number of repetitions. Next we have the boxes for selecting the entities we want to repeat, which can be features, faces or solid bodies. In Features and Faces, we select the Extrude Feature 5 and the preview is shown. In the Instances to Skip box we can select entities that will not be created by clicking on the points displayed in the preview. We click on the points shown, which will be ignored when confirming the command. Finally, we have some options. If Geometry Pattern is enabled, the command copies the entities on retry, otherwise reapplies the feature for each instance that will be created. It is recommended to leave it marked whenever possible, as the model is rebuilt faster. In our case, we leave it unchecked. The latter option, when enabled, allows the propagation of visual properties in repeated entities, for example, of the color applied to the feature. We left it disabled and confirmed the command. Notice that the points selected in the Instances to Skip box have been ignored in the command application. Also note that the color applied to the original feature has not been applied to the repetitions. We edit the L pattern feature 1 and enable the Propagate Visual Properties option. We have confirmed and note that the original feature color has now been propagated to the repetitions. Let's see the time of reconstruction of the model in this linear pattern feature by accessing the menu tools, Evaluate, Performance Evaluation. Note the rebuild time of the feature and model. We click Close to close this box. We edit the L pattern feature and activate the Geometry Pattern option. We confirm the command and click Rebuild to rebuild the model. We go to Tools, Evaluate, Performance Evaluation again and see that the reconstruction time of the feature is shorter, decreasing the reconstruction time of the model. This is of great importance when working with complex parts or with assemblies, as it allows for time and performance gains. We learn in this class how to use the command linear pattern and know its options, which will facilitate the modeling of our projects.